Hi Renovators! Again, welcome to my page. So, andito ako sa Kapitolyo, Pasig. Meron kaming two-story house renovations. So, I'll just give some few tips para sa mga gustong makatipid sa kitchen renovations nyo. Let's go! So renovators, so for today's episode, I'll just discuss some few tips. For example, si owner, medyo gusto niya ng budget friendly. So instead of granite, ang pina-install niya is 120 by 60. So ito yung mga sinasabi ko sa mga previous video ko na pwede kayong magkaroon ng alternative na budget friendly instead of granite tiles. So ayun. So ito, kung makikita nyo, yung 120 by 60 is